everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Robin, full-time eBay reseller. I also sell on Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, and Poshmark. And if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button, the thumbs up button, and share. And I really appreciate it. This is unboxing tote number 4. I think it's 4. It's another big tote. I have little totes left, so I'll probably be doing 2 of the little totes the next time. And I've been doing good on my timing with these videos. So I want to try and get these videos done because I got a lot of work ahead of me. I'm just trying to set my timer there, and I'm doing good with my timing. My last one ran over a little bit of 25 minutes, but it's better than 40-something minutes, right guys? All right, let's get down here and see what we have in our tote. Can y'all see a little bit? Okay, let me set my timer. Got one of the nasty things. Oh look, we got some more of these from like the last time. It still has the tab in it. So that's good. So does this one. So add those to the next one. I've got some reindeer ears. Do they work? No, they don't work. And no, that one don't work. No, and there was some missing stuff on this one, so that don't work. Ooh, we got a phone, but it has been opened, but as long as it works, you know. And it's in there. It is AT&T prepaid unlimited data, and it's an LG Phoenix 4. So I will see if everything is in here. Looks like it, so I'll inspect it more later. But I like getting these phones. I sold out all my other phones real quick like. Oh, what do we got here? This is a 9-cup espresso maker. So we'll see how this sells. Oh, wow. It's still all wrapped up. It's a good deal. Has its instructions and everything. So this is new. Alright. Try to get it back in here though. Getting ready to storm. So this is good. Good. I like brand new stuff. Ooh, look at this. This is a Miracurl Steam Tech Nano Titanium Babyless Pro. It's one of those curler things. Makes your hair curly. So I hope this works. Well, that might be brand new. Looks like it's still, I don't know if y'all can see in there, but looks good. But looks can be deceiving. So we'll check that out. Put that in my hair product place. And here we have another straightener, but it does not look like the box. It's not even the same brand as the box. This is an Ava So that's in the wrong box, so I'll have to sell this if it works, without the box. Oh well. It's not the first time. Here's another one of them heating pads. It's one of the little ones. Looks like it's brand new. It looks like it. We shall see. Oh, here's another one. Another heating pad. Well, we'll see about that. See if that works. I don't know what this goes to. Keep it off to the side. Boy, this stuff is dirty. Here is a Simply Straight brush. Now, I've tried these and it pulls my hair, but it may work for other people. I don't know. But we'll see if it works. So, the box is in a little bit of rough shape, but that's okay. I mean, so put that over there in my hair pile. And here we have a pair of headphones. Oh, they're Skull Candy headphones. Ooh, I hope they work. Yep, I hope they work. Looks like they've been taken out, but you know, we can always check them. Oh boy. Oh, here's another lonely remote. Belongs to a remote cover. Here are some Make the Season Bright lights. They kind of go over bushes and stuff, which is kind of neat. I might keep one of these boxes because I see another one here. And it's open, but they may. I hope they're not all tangled up. I don't like untangling those things. More Christmas lights. Easy Pete. Oh, maybe we can put these on our house. Those lights. Christmas lights, Christmas lights. Here is a lonely pumpkin with his tongue sticking out. Y'all see that? You just pull his tongue out and he lights. And I might give that to my grandson. He'd like that. Ooh, another Omron blood pressure monitor. Those are good sellers. Here is a power brush face cleaner in its dirty box. Oh, and it's somewhere in there, hopefully. And I can set it back up unless it's an empty box. Oh no, it's in there. They just had it put in there wrong. See, and it doesn't look used. So we'll look at that. Oh, I've got one of these already listed. Just gotta check and see if this one works and get all that crap out of there that's in there. Ugh. Well, here's another one of them famous heating pads that I have an abundance of. Ooh, here is a Oral-B gum sensitive toothbrush. It's been opened, no? Well, yeah, it was open, but differently. I'm hoping everything's in there. Love all these things. Right there. Here's another phone charger. Don't need that. Well, here's some missing lights. It belongs to something. Oh, here's another scale with nasty stuff on it. I mean, look at that. That's what I gotta deal with. It's another scale to add to my scales. Oh, here's another one of them. Oh, God, I got all the dirt off this. Another one of those heating pads. And some light bulbs. I'll probably keep those. I wouldn't want to ship those and those come out dirty, or I mean broken. Here is a Kiss New York power file and nail dryer. That's nice. I'm not going to go into detail because I don't want my video going too long. What is this thing? Oh. Huh. Steam inhaler, fast and natural relief. Sinus congestion, cold and flu symptoms, allergies, asthma. Pretty good. Just hope it's all in there. It's kind of heavy. If I sell this on eBay, I'd have to put, I need to get some nails on too. I have to sell it locally. Oh, it's in its own little container. Oh, and how fancy. Well, I'll check that out. Ugh. Not too many phone chargers in this one. Another phone charger. Some earbuds. Those look nice. Right there. Oh, here's another one. Another one of those ones. And it was opened at the bottom. And they're all the same color. And here is another water pick flosser. I have to make sure that I clean it out of that stuff that I don't know where it comes from. I got a lot of water picky things in this palette. Here is another Conair Infinity Pro. Let's see if the cord's been taken off. No, it looks pretty good. Everything's still like packaged up. No, I think this is like new. It still has a little thing on there. Great! Brand new dryer. Yep. The box needs to be wiped off. It's gross. But other than that, oh God, I hate whatever those things are. It's another king size heating pad. And that is it out of this thing here, and all the dirt, whatever those gold shiny things are, I have no idea. I think it's raining. Anyhow, oh wow, I still have 12 minutes left. I know. That is, let me see how dirty my hands are. Hi, I went and got my hands clean so we can look at some stuff. I already opened this up and it looks really good inside. I'll show you guys. I mean, nothing looks like it's been used. There's a lot of stuff in there. And the little hand dryer. And it also has a little magnifying glass so you can see your nails. Especially if you do any kind of artwork or anything on your nails. That's pretty good. Now, does it take batteries? Yep, it takes batteries. So that's pretty good. I don't know how much these are going for, but this is by Kiss, New York. So, should do pretty good on this. Wonder what they're going for. Has the instructions and everything. Let's see, it goes in this way. Had to look at the styrofoam thing. There we go. Wow. I wonder I'm gonna check this and see what it's going for on eBay. Dang it, come on. There we go. Let's check it out on eBay and see what we got going on in here. Oh, let's see. eBay, where is the... Oop, can't miss that. It's got a big UPC thing. Let's see what the solds are. It's going for about anywhere from $20 to $22. That's in the solds. And being brand new. Not bad. Good deal. Let's see what else. I want to see this thing. It's filthy dirty on it, but just want to see if everything is in here. Goodness gracious. Little sponge thing. Doesn't look like it's been used. Nothing looks used, so that's good. It's got the instructions. This must be the background. Let's straighten that up. Let's get this in there the right way. Open this up so I can put it in there the right way. Okay. It goes in this way. Oh, the little brushy thing in there. There, now, what does it look like? Oh, there, we can see it better. That's what it's supposed to look like. But my hand's just going to get all dirty again. Especially on this. Huh. Let's see, put that there. What do I want to check out? I want to check and see if everything is in here. This water pick. Man, the front of this is really... the top is messed up. Well, looks like everything is still intact. Except for the dirt stuff. Oh, look, I don't know if you guys can see in there. That is... whatever that stuff is. I have no idea. Oh. Let's check this out. They had to take the bottom of it, and it's got that nasty. Oh, this belongs in that thing there. Don't want to sell anybody anything that's got that stuff. Ugh. I don't want them to open it up and see that dirt stuff. Whatever that stuff is, I don't know. It's been opened, but does it charge or does it take batteries? I don't know. I don't see where it charges. Oh, okay. You unlock it and lock it to put that on there. And I don't want to break the seal on that, so put it back on the lock. But I don't see where it charges or anything. Huh. We gotta make sure it works. What's all this stuff down here? Oh, batteries. Goes in here somewhere. Must go in here somewhere. Let's see. Oh yeah, the batteries go in the bottom here. You can see in the picture there. So okay, it's still new. So that's a good thing. And these are still sealed. That's good. Good, good, good. Now, since I open it up and get all that stuff out of there, put this back in there. Put all this stuff back in there. So this is good because it's still brand new because batteries are still in its little case. And it's got the instructions. It's just got a messed up top thing here. But that's good. I'm glad that this is new, but I just gotta get rid of the tape and stuff because it's got that, whatever that stuff is. I don't know what it is. Let me see if I can put this in here where it belongs. Because I don't want to lose it. Oh, well, that didn't open. Which way did I open it? Okay. Oh, that from the bottom. I don't know. Yeah, I think it was. Okay. All these poor boxes, I tell you, they have been through everything. I'll have to tape that. But I'm glad this is brand new. It just has a messed up top. So that's good. I want to put it back over here where I dumped that stuff. And this has been taped too. So I don't know where my little thingy is. But I'm not gonna go over my minutes on this. I just need to finish up this little video. I don't want to ruin it. I just want to get the tape up. I'll replace the tape. I don't want to take any paper off of here or anything. I'm trying to. There we go. I hope this is new too. Oh, this is a toothbrush. Okay, I see it. I see it. Well, okay, here, this is what you keep your little toothbrushy in here. Toothbrush. Works. Oh, and it's got the toothbrushes that haven't been messed with. Good, good. Yay! And then this is the little charging thing in here. I mean, it's all in there brand new. I don't think this has been opened. I don't think this has been messed with. Doesn't look like it. No. I'll just go in there. Okay, it went in here somehow. There we go. There we go. All brand new. Yay! I just gotta clean up the box a little bit. Take this tape off gently because I don't want any paper to come off. And I can always retape it. Besides, I need to take it out anyway to take pictures. So, I'm happy about these two. The flossing thing and this toothbrush. Just have to wipe it all off, the box off, but yay. Yay, 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 yay. Okay, I just have to check out some of these. This is a nice one. Oh, what is this for? This is for the arm. An arm heating pad. Ooh. I didn't notice that when we were doing the unboxing earlier. Huh. And this is a weighted one. I'm hoping that one works. And I hope these work. These are those skull. The skull ones. It has to have that darn, whatever that stuff is. Ooh, these are soft. Oh my gosh. Oh, I hope this works. Oh, these, I never felt anything so soft. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Wow, I hope these work. And how did they go in? Let's see, it goes in that way. Well, there we go. I think I got it. I think I got it. Hope I got it. There. Yes, that's the way they're supposed to go in there. All right. Well, I don't know why I even bother doing that. I have to test them. But yay! I never felt ear thingies so soft. But that's what they're supposed to look like. So I'll be testing these. Awesome, 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 awesome. I've heard that these skull candies are worth pretty good and they're very good quality products. So we'll see. The box is messed up. I gotta do some taping because it's broke on the side and stuff. Broke on top. That's what this came from. But anyhow, yeah, good. I have to check them out. Then of course I got a bunch of these to check out. And I got to check out this Omron. That's a good seller. I'm happy about that. Anything that's over 20 bucks, that's a good one. Okay guys, I'm going to end it here and finish my uploading of all my videos that I've gotten done so far. So stay tuned for seeing this video, which is video number 4, I do believe. These are about ready to fall out. And I think these belong in here because they're colored. Alright guys, I will chat with you guys later. I still don't know what this goes to. I'll find it somewhere. Where's this go? What does this go to? I'm not sure, but I'll keep it handy because it might belong to something in here. Okay, this is the end. We finished this one. The next one will be video number unboxing of my Pallet tote. Will be number 5, I do believe. That will be the next video after this. So thank you all for stopping by and watching this unboxing of my Pallet totes. And I will see you on the next video. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.